Voltage readings can be relative or absolute. Absolute readings are measured against a reference or ground point. Relative measurements, or voltage drops, are made between any two arbitrary points. In any circuit, the sum of the voltage drops across each component is equal to the source voltage. This fact can be used to troubleshoot a circuit. For example, in this circuit, the power source is 24 volts, and the ground at point F is 0 volts. When the circuit is operating normally and the switch is closed, the absolute voltage at point B is 24, since there is no drop in voltage through the wire from the power source at point A. The voltage after the lamp, or point C, is 8, due to the resistance of the filament in the lamp. And the voltage after the buzzer, or point D, is 0, due to the resistance of the coil in the buzzer.